Hello my friends, David Kessler here and welcome back to the studio for part 3 of our multi-part series showing my abstract painting process. Okay, if you watch the first 2 videos, I laid the groundwork for what we're doing here. And just as a brief recap, we're using a tetradic color combination, which is 2 sets of complementary colors. And those 2 sets are violet and yellow and blue and orange. And what we're trying to do here is have our dominant color be violet, our non-dominant color be blue, and then we're going to use a combination, hopefully, of yellow and orange for the centers of interest or the accent areas. All right? Enough talk. Let's get to the painting. As usual, I'm going to start with a big brush. This is just a natural bristle brush, 3 inches. You know, no magic there. I'm going to start with a dark value in my dominant color. Okay, let's see what we're doing here. You know, and I just kind of look in this shape and say, okay, you know, I got to have something over here to balance that out a little bit. So what can I do over here? Make that to start to work out a bit. I can vary the color in here a little bit. All right. It's probably an okay start. Now let's see what we might want to do from here. Okay. Now typically I would, you know, take a smaller brush and then start to think about where centers of interest might want to be. And then just block in a couple of areas with my accent color. Mostly so I can, you know, I know where those are going to be, and then so that I don't paint over those areas. Because you know how you are when you start painting. I mean, you know, you get all excited and get all crazy about it, and all of a sudden you've painted over exactly what you should have left as a center of interest area. I mean, I do it all the time. That's the reason I developed this practice of doing this first, or rather on the front end of the painting, the first part of the painting. That way I have these blocked in for later use. Okay, I think that will do for now. I need to start working on some other areas of my my dominant color. So we'll lay some of these in pretty quickly and easily. A little blue in there, just for fun. I want to make sure I get some of these edges softened up a bit. Maybe I want to make this since I've got a center of interest here, maybe I want to make this a really nice red-violet color, which would really begin to pull your eye into this area too, because it's warmer than the other violets. Let's just do that. Let's see what happens there. Yeah, I already like the look of that. Add a touch of blue in there too, just for fun. Okay. All right. Woohoo! All right. Now, let's get in here with a little bit of our non-dominant color. Get some of that started in here, because we're going to need some. Might as well go ahead and get some of it put in here. And those two together. Maybe I'll use this blue as sort of a bridge. I didn't really mean to do that, but maybe this blue becomes a sort of a bridge between the two areas of violet. I don't know. There's always some sort of game to be played here. Got a little too much violet on that brush. I really would like to cover some of this violet up. I don't mind having a mixture in there. Well, I got into painting. I kind of forgot I was filming, and then I need to do this in segments. So we've got a really good start here. You know, I've laid in my dark values. I've got some center of interest placements started, but you can see, I mean, I haven't even covered the white of the canvas yet, so there's a lot of stuff left to do. So stick with me for the next video, and I hope this so far was helpful for you, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.